If this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, I'll be so happy to see you like this video and subscribe right now, because this channel is all about giving you updates on athletics. So it is so sad to say that Elaine Thomson Herah is now having injury, and the last time she races in Keystone, she was able to deliver a very poor time of 11.23 seconds. And recently, Shaccarri Richardson, when she was being interviewed, she declared that she is not just ready, but the whole track and field in USA is ready to light on the fire in them. It is also safe to say that Jamaica might be in a very big trouble, and because the Americans seems to be well ahead of them. I mean, the downfall of Elaine Thomson Herah is going to affect the Jamaicans 4-1, because if Elaine Thomson Herah failed to make it in the 100-meter in the Jamaican trials, then this year Budapest there will be no more 1, 2, 3 gold, bronze and silver in Budapest like how they delivered last year in Oregon. There will no longer be multiple 3 winning from Jamaica in 100 meters. Rather, Shaccarri is here to stop it.